For any small business owner or self-employed professional, managing expenses and receipts can feel like a never-ending battle. The shoebox full of crumpled paper, the endless spreadsheets, and the looming dread of tax season are all too familiar. In this digital age, accounting software has become an indispensable tool for simplifying financial management. FreshBooks, a popular choice for its invoicing and time-tracking capabilities, often raises a critical question. Does FreshBooks have receipt capture? As an accounting software expert, I can confidently tell you that yes, FreshBooks absolutely has robust receipt capture capabilities. This isn't just a basic feature. It's a fundamental component of FreshBooks' comprehensive expense management system, designed to eliminate manual data entry, reduce errors, and keep your financial records audit-ready. The ability to capture receipts seamlessly is crucial for accurate bookkeeping. Every business expense, no matter how small, needs to be documented for tax purposes, budgeting, and understanding profitability. FreshBooks understands this need perfectly and has integrated several intuitive methods for capturing and organizing your receipts. How FreshBooks makes receipt capture a breeze. FreshBooks offers multiple ways to get your receipts into the system, catering to various scenarios and preferences. Mobile app scanning, the go-to for on-the-go, this is perhaps the most celebrated and practical feature. FreshBooks provides a dedicated mobile app for both iOS and Android devices. With this app, you can snap a photo, simply open the FreshBooks app, navigate to the Expenses section, and use your smartphone's camera to take a picture of your paper receipt. The app's intelligent scanning technology, often powered by optical character recognition, or OCR, will then read the crucial details from the receipt. Automatic data extraction. This is where the magic happens. FreshBooks OCR technology automatically extracts key information such as the merchant's name, the date of the transaction, the total amount, and even sales tax. This significantly reduces the need for manual typing. Categorization. Once the data is extracted, you can quickly categorize the expense, e.g., office supplies, travel, meals, and entertainment. This ensures your expenses are organized for reporting and tax purposes. Cloud storage. The scanned receipt image and its associated data are securely stored in the cloud, eliminating the risk of lost or faded paper receipts. You can access them anytime, anywhere, from your mobile device or desktop. Email receipts directly. Many online purchases or digital services send receipts via email. FreshBooks allows you to forward these digital receipts directly to a unique email address associated with your FreshBooks account. The system then processes these emails, extracts the relevant expense data, and attaches the digital receipt to the expense entry. This is incredibly convenient for managing online subscriptions, software purchases, or any expense where you receive an electronic receipt. Upload from your computer. If you have digital receipts saved on your computer, e.g., PDFs, image files, or if you prefer to scan multiple receipts at once using a traditional scanner, you can easily upload these files directly to your FreshBooks account through the web interface. FreshBooks will then process these uploaded documents, extracting the necessary information. Beyond capture, the benefits of FreshBooks expense management. Receipt capture is just the first step. FreshBooks integrates this functionality into a broader expense management system that provides several significant benefits. Automated expense creation. Once a receipt is captured, FreshBooks uses the extracted data to automatically create an expense entry. This saves immense time compared to manually inputting every detail. Bank and credit card connections. You can connect your bank accounts and credit cards to FreshBooks. This allows FreshBooks to automatically import your spending transactions. When you capture a receipt, FreshBooks can intelligently match it to a corresponding bank transaction, making reconciliation a breeze and ensuring accuracy. Easy categorization. As mentioned, categorizing expenses is straightforward. This is vital for generating accurate financial reports, tracking spending patterns, and simplifying tax preparation. FreshBooks often suggests categories based on past entries, further speeding up the process. Billable expenses. For freelancers and service-based businesses, FreshBooks allows you to easily mark expenses as billable to a client. You can even add a markup and then seamlessly pull these expenses onto an invoice, ensuring you recover all your costs and don't leave money on the table. Detailed expense reports. At any time, you can generate comprehensive expense reports, providing a clear overview of where your money is going. These reports are invaluable for budgeting, financial analysis, and, crucially, for tax time. Audit trail and compliance. Having digital copies of your receipts linked directly to your expense entries provides a clear audit trail. This is essential for compliance with tax regulations and for easy retrieval of information if you ever face an audit. Why receipt capture is a game changer for small businesses. For small business owners, freelancers, and independent contractors, time is a precious commodity. Manual receipt management is not only time-consuming but also prone to errors. FreshBooks receipt capture functionality addresses these pain points directly, saves time. Automating receipt capture and data entry frees up valuable hours that can be reinvested into growing your business or focusing on core services. Reduces errors. Automated extraction minimizes human error, leading to more accurate financial records and fewer headaches during reconciliation or tax preparation. Ensures accuracy for tax time. With all your receipts digitally stored and categorized, tax preparation becomes significantly less stressful. You can easily generate reports and provide all necessary documentation to your accountant. Improves financial visibility. Knowing exactly where your money is going, down to the last coffee receipt, gives you greater control over your finances and helps you make informed business decisions.